I'm the studio owner of BBM Studios, Mark Studios, Nostalgic Memory Studios. At
Hi guys! Ulit. Ulit. So ayun, ako si
Hi guys, I am Mauricio Moral, but you can call me Mau.
For protecting our chairman
Si Vivian, your photographer for today.
I'm Axel. I'm Axel and this is my, hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang event na to ba.
And this is my first event na mag-take ako ng pictures.
Dilim ako.
Hi guys, it's Bernard Ramen. I'm the studio owner of BBM Studios, Mark Studios, Nostalgic Memory Studios. At iba pa yun, ngayon kasama ko si Vivian, si Mau, si Alton. And this is her second event. Kanina, kasama ko sila Vivian sa si Alton. Ngayon si Mau. Mau dito and 85th birthday. Salamat sa clients, sa pagkain, sa kahit apat ka. Thank you so much.
Hi guys! Ulit. Ulit. So ayun, ako si Vivian R. Aguinaldo, your photographer for today's event.
Hi guys, I am Mauricio Moral, but you can call me Mau. And yun nga, this is my third event. No? And my experience is masaya naman siya, and then marami akong natutunan.
Okay, for our third premiere, I partner. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, for our second.
Kaya Canyonero, 21 years old. Ang role ko dito is photographer. Yan. Tapos yung pinaka-experience ko dito sa event na to is baguhan lang ako sa SDE, kaya masyadong kabado pa.
I am Jeff. Role ko dito is content creator. Ayun, first time kong mag-ano dito sa SDE. Dito sa Okada. Ayun, napakasaya.
Year after year, to navigate the challenges, most especially satisfying our clients, meeting deadlines, funding our Almighty Lord for protecting our chairman, and many of our friends think that because of all the good things that we're doing in the world.
Guys, this is Weird na marami. Nandito na naman po tayo ngayon sa documentary life studio owner slash videographer, photographer. Kasama ko ngayon sila Marvin, si Axel, si Sir Lance, ang bago naming editor. Everyone, maraming salamat po pala sa pagpalit ko kay Sir Mark.
Okay guys, nandito po tayo sa 10 West Campus dito sa McKinley West. At nandito po tayo para interviewin ang ating same day editor na si Sir Lance.
Jeff. Ang role ko dito is a photographer, and this is my first event na nag-take ako ng pictures. Then ang experience ko sa first picture ko dito sa ang first event ko, medyo nag-adjust pa ako, pero ayun nga, masaya ako nakikita sila na masaya.
Hello guys, I'm Axel and this is my, di ko na alam kung pang ilang event na to, but nandito ako ngayon sa City's Events Place, birthday ni Sir Mike. It's 60th birthday. So, experience ko ngayong araw is galing ako ng school from 7 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. And I only have 30 minutes para habulin tong event na to, so medyo hassle sa akin yung traffic. Pero as the event goes by, naging okay naman yung mga naging flow, mga checklist, and na-fulfill ko naman yung duty ko and responsibility ngayong araw.